Namaste everyone, I am Ranjan Agal. Welcome all of you to the Distance Learning Center of West Montessori Elementary School. I am here again with another session of class 6, continuing the chapter Fractions and Decimals. In the previous session, I gave you concept about what fractions are, what are decimals, and simplifications with additions and subtractions of fractions. Now here, to continue the chapter, I am here with some examples workout that is related to the simplification of the fractions with all additions, subtractions, multiplications mainly. Okay, now let us start with one of the first questions that deals with the multiplications. Okay, now we have to multiply 2 by 3 into 7. Now it's the easiest one. The 7, it is a whole number. If we have to write 7 in a whole number, that means 7 will be equivalent to 7 divided by 1 in fraction. That means the numerator and numerator multiplies. It's very easy. It will be 2 into 7 divided by, it's your choice. You can write 3 into 1. Since we are not introducing 1 here, we just simply can write 3. That is 14 by 3. If the same kinds of examples come with a mixed number, 2 by 3, okay, into 4, then what we can do is we first convert. I guess now you know how to convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions. 2 into 3, 6, and we add this plus 2 divided by 3. Before we multiply, we just convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions. Now we can go numerator multiply. 8 4s are 32 divided by 3. Okay, now this is the simple multiplications. Okay, now in the second type of examples, now here I am dealing with some multiplication, but that has a slight word problem. That means, let me do again 2 by 3 that resembles 7. 2 by 3 of 9. Okay, look, there is a slight word. Now here, in case of while solving these kinds of problem, 2 by 3 in mathematics, I guess in the previous weeks we have studied the rule of Budmash. Now of represents multiplications. Now of 9. 2 by 3 of 9. Now simply we can multiply 2 into 9 divided by 3, 18 divided by 3. If we can reduce this to a simplest form, just do it in the rough. Here I know myself, 3 6 are 18, that's why I can write 6. Okay, now let's move to the simplifications of third kind of in actually third kinds I have two problems. Okay, that has the introductions of the bracket. That means let's multiply this 3 by 10 into 2 by 9 bracket close into 16 divided by 15. Look, what we do in these types of multiplication is we cannot just randomly multiply. We have to multiply, but we have studied the Budmash rule. That means we have to multiply the one inside the bracket first. Here, since there is inside bracket, we have to write multiply numerator and numerator. 3 into 2, 6 divided by 10 into 9, 90. Then it will be 16 divided by 15. Now I hope this is clear and you can solve this out. Multiply 6 into 16 divided by 90 into 15. Okay, and then you can reduce that into a simplest term. Now next second type is this type of simplification. Here that includes a bracket. Here has only multiplication. Now let's suppose if it has an addition and or subtractions, and it may have a mixed fractions too. Always whenever there is a mixed fractions, we have to convert these mixed fractions into the improper fraction first. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 2 divided by 4 minus 3 1s 3 plus 1 divided by the denominator is same. 3 into 3 by 4. Now that will be equivalent to 10 by 4 minus 4 by 3 into 3 by 4. Okay, now let's look it. It will be, now here, since inside bracket there is the subtractions. Now these subtractions, I think I have clarified you in the previous session. They are unlike fractions. That means we have to see the denominator. The denominator is 4, the denominator is 3. That means since they are not like, we have to take LCM. Let's take LCM in the rough. LCM of 3 and 4. That means 3, 4 by prime factorization method. The first prime number is 2. Since not divisible, copy as it is. 2, 2, 4. Again by 2, not divisible, copy as it is. 2, once is 2. Now, no need to worry for once. I've just prime number just greater than 2 is 3. Okay, then 3. Once. Okay. After we get here 1 and 1, the LCM we multiply the divisor. That means 4, 2 2s are 4. 2 into 2 into 3. That is 12. Now it will be a revision for the previous session 2. That means we have to make this denominator 12. Okay, how to make this denominator 12? Multiplying by 3. We cannot just multiply the denominator. We have to multiply the numerator also. Minus 4 by 3. We have to make this 3 also 12 into 4 into 4 into 3 by 4. Let's solve this. 30 divided by 12 minus 16 divided by 12 into 3 by 4. Now they are like fractions. Look, they have same denominator. Now let's subtract the numerator only. 30 minus 16 divided by 12 into 3 by 4. That means it will be equals to 30 minus 16 is 14 divided by 12 into 3 divided by 4. Now look, we can just simply multiply the numerator. 14 into 3, 12 into 4. We can simplify this. Multiply and then simplify, or just we can simplify here. Okay, for me, I will just teach you how to do over here. 3 1s is 3, 3 4 is 12. This is 2, 2 is 4, and 2, 7 is 14. Now I think it's not divisible. That means the remaining is 7 into 1 divide 2 into 4. Now the answer is 7 divided by 8. Look, the simplifications. Okay, now let me teach you the fourth type of simplifications, fourth examples workout. Here I'll find out, look, difference between 3 by 5 of 40 and that includes a word problem 2 by 5 of 30. That means, look, we have to find the difference between what? 3 by 5 of 40 and 2 by 5 of 30. That means it's very easy. Difference between this 3 by 5 of 40, difference 2 by 5 of 30. Now we have already studied 3 by 5 of 40 minus 2 by 5 of 30. Now this is same like the workout as in question number 2. Look, 2 by 3 of 9, 2 by 3. That means 5 8s are, it will be. Let's simplify this. I will teach you another way. How can we? If we can reduce, we can cancel this and this also. 5 1s, 5 8s. Here not only we cannot cancel, this is also numerator. This rule is applied only when there is a multiplication sign between the numbers. 5 1s, 5 6. That means 3 into 8. No need to write divide by 1. 3 8s are 24 minus 2 6s are 12. Again no need to write divide by 1. And the answer is 12. Okay. these are some of the example works out. Actually 4 different types of example works out that will help you while solving different problems related to multiplication and simplifications. Let's be specific. Simplifications that consist a revision of addition, subtractions and multiplications. In the next video, next sessions, we'll continue with more interesting chapters. Okay, I hope you all will go with the video and try to solve all the problems as much as you can. If there is further problem, you can feel free to contact me. Till we meet again, I hope all of you stay home, have a good time ahead, practice more in case of mathematics, stay safe, bye bye, see you. More importantly, stay tuned to e-portal of Best Montessori Elementary School.